Good morning, students. Myself, Sadhana Gupta from the Great India School, working as a biology PGT teacher. This is my third video of a 12th class. We started the first unit, that is the reproduction, and in this video we will from the beginning we will have just a look recap the things which we studied. So first, as I told you, we started the first unit, that is a reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but a fundamental feature of a living thing which involves the transmission of a genetic characters or a material from one generation to the next generation. This is nothing but a reproduction. Now coming to the second point, that is a lifespan. What is lifespan? Lifespan is nothing but a period from the birth to the natural death of an organism is called its lifespan. We already studied the different examples of the animals and their lifespan. So lifespan of an organism may be of a few minutes as well as to several thousand year also. You just go through the chart which we already studied and given in a NCERT book. So this is all about the different lifespan of organism. Fruit fly having 1 day, butterfly 1 to 2 weeks, wheat plant 6 months, crow 15 years, dog 25 years, banana tree 25 years, crocodile 60 years, human being having generally lifespan is 100 years, parrot 140 years, tortoise 100 to 150 years, and banyan tree 200 years. Now lifespan of the different phases of the life. Lifespan of an organism usually includes 4 phases. First, juvenile phase. Second, reproductive or maturity phase. Third, aging or census. And the fourth one is death. Now, types of reproduction. We already studied the types of reproduction, that is asexual mode of reproduction and a sexual mode of a reproduction. Now, what are the different examples of a asexual reproduction? Fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation. Under the fission, based on the formation of a daughter nuclei, they are also classified. Binary fission, bi means 2. An example of binary fission is amoeba. When 2 daughter nuclei are formed at the end of the process, we can term it as a binary fission. And when more than 2 individuals are formed by the end of this process is termed as multiple fission. Example of a multiple fission is plasmodium, which is the causative agent of a malaria. Now you are able to see on the screen what are the different submodes of a asexual reproduction: fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, and vegetative propagation. So fragmentation, a small piece of the body have the capacity to develop into a complete organism. Example of a fragmentation is the Spirogyra, or you can term it as a algae. Regeneration, any lost or injured part of the body has the capacity to develop the whole part or the body through these fragments or piece. For example, planaria, or common example in our house, when the lizard tail is broken, the new tail grows. So that is again an example of regeneration. In the human body also, every Sunday we cut the nails, but they keep on growing. So that is also example of regeneration. Budding. Budding, here again 2 submodes: external budding and internal budding. Budding can be seen in the unicellular organism yeast and multicellular organism hydra. External budding, when the birds grows outside the body. So yeast and the hydra are the example of external budding, and internal budding is the example spongilla. Vegetative propagation. We already studied the vegetative propagation, but have just a look on a vegetative propagation. We already studied in class 11, that is the different modification of a root, stem, and leaf. These are the vegetative parts of the plants. So they helps in the formation of the complete body. So you must recall different modification. Leaf modification, bryophyllum, that is they helps in a reproduction. Basically the function of the leaf is photosynthesis, but besides the photosynthesis they also helps in a reproduction, so that is termed as modification. Here you are able to see the diagram of this is the bryophyllum leaf, and this bryophyllum leaf see towards the notches, they start growing the advantageous smallest leaf. So this leaf, when comes in a contact, this smaller leaf, when this comes in a contact with the soil, they grow into a new plant. So vegetative propagation you are able to see. runner means mint, पुदीना जो है उनके स्टेम हम लगा देंगे, रूट लगा देंगे तो भी the plant is able to grow into a complete body. Rhizome ginger, leaf birds bryophyllum, tuber potato, offset iconia, bulbil agava. So rhizome example, this is example of a rhizome, or and common example which is we have seen and in our house, that is the ginger. Tuber, that is the potato. These are the examples of a vegetative propagation. Now asexual reproductive structure in a fungi. We already studied the fungi as well as the algae. So zoospores, this is the zoospores. These are the zoospores which are produced in Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is the example of algae. Algae produces the spores, that is zoospores. So formation of the spore is nothing but a asexual structure. So single parent, with the help of spores, they develop into a complete body. Another example of a spore, that is the conidia, present or formed in the penicillium. What is penicillium? Penicillium is nothing but a fungi. And here this is the birds develop into a hydra. Lower portion, this cytoplasmic outgrowth come out of the body, parental body, that is nothing but a bud. Formation of a bud is nothing but a buddy. Example of a budding is hydra. Here gemmules. Here see the difference between internal and external budding. You are able to see this is the external body. The birds grow out of the body, and here these are the gemmules. The body contain itself the buds. So example of an internal budding is termed as gemmules, and animal is sponges, and hydra is the animal which is the example of a external budding. Now sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is nothing but a reproduction in which formation of a male and female gametes either by the same individual or by different individuals of the opposite sex. It indirectly means here now we are studying the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, we already know that two sexes are involved in the formation of the gametes, and fusion between the gametes takes place. So two different sexes, male gamete and female gametes. Male gamete in the animals or in a human being, male gamete is sperm and female gamete is ova. When this sperm and ova fuses, the new body is formed. So in a sexual reproduction, through the meiosis process, these gametes are produced. That process is termed as gametogenesis. Once the gametes are produced, they are fused and the new body is formed. These gametes fuse to form the zygote, which develops to form a new organism. Now reproduction in a flowering plants. You are able to see reproduction in a flowering plants on the screen. So there are basically three types of plants: annual plants, biennial plants, or perennial plant. Annual plants means the plants who complete their life cycle within a 1 year. For example, हमने बारिश के सीजन में कोई सीड्स बोए और सर्दियों में अगर हम उसके फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं, मीन्स दीज प्लांट्स आर ग्रोइंग विद इन अ 1 year. दे आर टर्म्ड एज एनुअल प्लांट्स. बाइनियल प्लांट्स मीन्स द प्लांट्स हु कंप्लीट देयर लाइफ साइकिल विद इन अ 2 years. एनुअल 1 year, biennial 2 years, perennial more than 2 years. For example, banana and mango. Now unusual phenomena of some flowering plants. Bamboo species flower only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years, produce a large number of fruits and die. So these are the another example is Strombolensis, or you can simple remember the common name, that is Neelkunji flowers. Neelkunji जो flowers grow होते हैं, they are blue in color, that's why the name is given Neela Kunji. Flowers once in a 12 years. They bloom within a after the 12 years, with once only after 12 years. So they are plant flower during the September and October. Now breeding of the animals. Now children, this is all about the only recap of this topics which we studied in a first two videos. Now in a next video we will study the breeding of the animals. Thank you very much. Keep studying, keep recalling, and try to make the notes, and you by yourself you just form a short question on each learned topic. Thank you very much.